In order to train the data, it has to be owned by us, but it can't be because we have to train on lots and lots of parameters. It takes about billions to trillions of parameters to train proper AI, which is commercially viable. So where do we draw the line between getting data from third-party sources, which doesn't belong to us, third-party websites, right through to the ones which are owned by us and can be used? And that is a real consideration in the case of being ethical, to actually being able to use data and then the AI for our businesses or our personal use, for example. That's challenge number one of being ethical use of AI. Number two is, where do you use AI for, and if you declare that the AI has been used? Let me explain a little better. Say, for example, we create an essay for our university or our school, and we call that information to be ours, but actually we use a tool like ChatGPT to build it. It's a real ethical dilemma. Well, you can't be using AI to be for your university course unless you declare it or you mention it, or if it's legal within your framework of a university or school. And that's a challenge we're going to see more and more so. As AI gets better, it becomes more intelligent, there will be challenges around where you can use AI and where you cannot. Today, essays for universities and colleges can be done using ChatGPT, Anthropic, Pi, or other tools. And they're really, really good. But it's important to declare that you're using AI for the creation of these tools. Using AI for personal use to help as an assistant is awesome. But when it comes to competition or evaluation, mentioning AI usage is super important as part of our declaration. Number three is what is owned by us and what's not owned based on AI. When you create an image or an audio, we have used different elements, different inputs to train the AI. We then create what effectively is a remixed version of data content we create. At that point, the data is created or implemented. Do we own that, or is it owned by the original founder of that content? And that's going to be a real challenge, especially in areas like text, where it's very hard to pinpoint what's owned by whom. Images, a little bit less so, but still challenging. It gets harder if the multimedia is more rich in format to not point it out, because obviously images, you can point out if the image has been remixed to some extent, for example. When you have proprietary styles of drawing, for example, or image creation.